In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter QR code in Kajabi. We'll start inside your Kajabi dashboard. From there, click on Website and then select Landing Pages. This is where you'll find the page or opt-in form you already created for your newsletter. The goal here is to grab the exact sign-up link that you want people to visit when they scan your QR code. Once you locate the correct landing page or newsletter form, click the copy link icon. This copies the URL for your Kajabi sign-up page, which is the link your QR code will send people to. It's a good idea to make sure you're copying the right page, especially if you have multiple landing pages in your account. Next, open a free QR code generator in your browser, such as Canva or QR Code Generator, since Kajabi doesn't include a built-in QR code creator. If you're using QR Code Generator, go ahead and open it, then click Create QR Code. Now paste the Kajabi sign-up link you copied into the URL field. After that, click Create. The tool will generate a QR code based on your newsletter page link. At this point, you can click Customize Design if you want to make the QR code feel more on-brand. For example, you might adjust the colors or add a logo. This part is optional, but it can help the code look more polished and aligned with your business branding. Just make sure the design still scans clearly. When you're happy with how it looks, click Complete Your Code, then download it as a high-resolution PNG or SVG file. A higher quality file is especially useful if you plan to print it on larger materials. Once your QR code is downloaded, you can place it on slides, business cards, flyers, or event banners. When someone scans it, they'll be taken directly to your Kajabi newsletter sign-up page, making it easy to grow your email list wherever you share it.